juice. $10 one, 2 get on the $10 one, $10 one, bag juice. Yo, them shoes they look bad, you know. Boss, how much of them uppers here? How much you can get them for? Let's go 3-5. 3-5 I get it. 3-5, the most. You want a shirt out of that 3-5 day in a jungle star. Ah, bossy, look at it. They have a little change, you know. Forward there. Yo, bossy, you know what I'm saying? There's a party me I go later still. But 3-5 alone, me have him. Want a pants and a shirt, you know. You can't take 1-5. 1-5. Want a pants and a shirt still. Boss man, you know, so the sign I'm going to show you earlier. They now buy nothing to stop that. Kind of 1-5 they want to give man. They take man for youth. Think a ramping chop this. A youth. They feel like. Oh man, you know, so I'm not violate the thing still, but I was little 3-5 me have still. I'm just want a shirt and a pants to go and party later and you don't know about the hero. You can't take the 1-5. Sort me on. Yo babes, I want you back in my life, you know. You don't know say other certain things why I mess up and things like that, so you can't give me a second chance.